TaskBid is an HR and project management platform for small teams. Each team has one team admin, which is you, the customer. The contractors are defined by the team admin in the team member sheet. Inside the team member sheet, the admin can add, update, and delete contractors on the team. When new contractors are added, TaskBid begins the onboarding process for the contractor. Each user, including admin and contractors, has their own task worksheet. The task worksheet has two areas, the task area for editing tasks and the status log to see output from the system. Inside the task area, the user can insert, update, and delete rows and columns as they could with any normal spreadsheet. This encourages valuable feedback from contractors to help you make business decisions. TaskBid automatically marks the user's local changes from the master records. When the user is finished editing, they can push or check in their changes to the master records by running Global Sync. Global Sync merges everyone's local changes and updates everyone's local task worksheet with the new task records. It also updates the activity log, which is a record of all the changes. TaskBid has team hierarchies and task ownership features to establish seniority as well as who can edit which tasks. The team hierarchy is specified in the team members sheet and the direct supervisor column. Task ownership is specified in the task worksheet under the owner column. If a user modifies a row or column that they do not have the permission to, the change is undone and the user is prompted to email the task owner so that they can make a change request. Here they can add a custom message. Contractors bid on tasks the same way they modify tasks in the task worksheet. Every bid can be seen from the admin task worksheet, and from here, the admin can award contracts. Bids and contract awards can be configured to send email notifications as well. TaskBid has more features like priority resorting, and we want to build new features that customers want and need. Ask and we will build. Thank you for watching. Visit TaskBid.net today to get started.